Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This is one of those sweetheart cars. I call a car a sweetheart when it just feels so right. The doors click shut, where you can tell it's been pampered all of its life. This is one of those cars, rust-free, loaded with options. You drive down the road, it just feels like you're in a new car. Just a really exceptional sweetheart. It's a 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. That's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, how about you join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car here was bought new by an Oldsmobile mechanic. Then another owner had it 35 years. He was a member of the Oldsmobile Club. I sold this car, I think, about 5 or 6 years ago, and we just reacquired it back from that same person. He took excellent care of the car. Underneath the car is dry as a chalkboard. I'm referring to the metal. It just has zero rust, no patches, no rot, no flaky metal. It's all clean, smooth, factory floors. The inner rockers even have the little drain, the little rubber flaps over the drain plugs are still there. So really exceptional underneath. As far as all the components, the gas tank and front end components, it's been maintained and replaced as needed. It's all in really good shape. It has a dual exhaust system. It's a Power Glide automatic transmission. Now the body is as clean as the way I was just describing the floors. The body's just as good. That's just metal. It all lines up nice. This is all clean, smooth metal, even way down here below the trim. The trim is not banged up. It's all straight. It's shiny. Vinyl top is in really nice shape. All these moldings are shiny. The vent window pillar is nice. The rubber's soft. The mirror is not pitted. The windshield's crystal clear. All the trim is really nice. The hood sits in there square, right on the money. It's a little nick touched up right here. That rubs off. So it's nice and straight and square. There's a few little nicks up here I can see that were touched up. They got it pretty close with the color. Not noticeable, but I'm looking for things right now. But again, this side's just as nice as the other side. All these lines are square, flush, all metal, straight as an arrow, nice chrome, door handles. Door jambs are really nice, painted, weather strips are soft. I barely gave it any effort. Shuts like a new car. That's a sweetheart. Has the nice wheels on it. Tail lights, bumper. This panel's really nice. This frosted panel, it looks new. Paint's rubbed a little thin right there. Someone must have been polishing it for some reason and rubbed a little thin. The rear window's crystal clear. For a second, it looks like there's no window there. We'll get back to the trunk in a minute. I like the trunk in this car. So it's got a bench seat with the armrest cushion in the middle. It's got seat belts front and back. This is all really well-maintained, original condition. I don't think the seats have even been recovered. The dash area is really nice. It's sparkling. I don't see any cracks. Nothing's broken. As far as options, it has power windows. They all work. They were all just up. I hit all 4 buttons and they went right down. It's got an emergency brake flashing light, AM/FM radio, power trunk. And it's no slouch. It's a 330 motor with 320 horsepower. Nice clean chrome. It has, the high beams are the original T3 headlights still. The bumper fits the body. See how nice it fits the body there? When these have been hit or twisted, they don't fit the body that well. So we got cruise control, power steering, power brakes. It looks just like factory. Nothing's changed. Nothing's chrome plated. There's no Edelbrock. It's all stock, neat, clean, and orderly. The trunk. You rarely find a car with the original spatter paint. This is from the factory, not a spray can. It's all the original spatter. I didn't lift up the mat underneath, but it looks like it's original under there too. That's clean, original metal. Trunk light works. You got all sorts of neat stuff here. Books, literature, brochures, car cover. It's got the trunk mat, and then it has the optional black rubber Oldsmobile mat. It has a jack, has a spare. So a very complete, very clean, nice trunk compartment. The engine compartment we were talking about is just nice and clean. It's even got the original clamps, the little plastic clip here. Well, actually, it's cracked, but hey, it's there anyway. Delco battery topper, spring clamp cables, all in really nice shape. So I think this is where we started up. This motor just purrs. You might notice there's a little console sitting on the hump here. That's just sitting there. You can take it right out, but it's nice to have little cup holders for your coffee. All the interior lights are working. It's so smooth. Owner's manual in the glove box. Glove box light is working. Headliner is real nice. It's nice to find them like this. It's not easy to do. Just a great, comfortable car. It's the end of the day. I'm about ready to go home. I'm tired, and just sitting in there, the car just felt so good. I'm thinking about taking this one home tonight. You can go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways to talk to the salesman. I just gave you my impression of this car, but they'll answer the questions that you may have. They can also help get this delivered to your driveway and help with financing. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on that bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.